Hey, Michael Rosberg here, creator of the Tax Resolution Domination System and Toolkit. And one of the most effective ways of how I grew my tax resolution business was through radio advertising. And there's a 10-step winning formula for how to get on the radio and how to have the most effective response and the highest ROI. I'm going to talk to you about a couple of those today. The first is the type of station. I always looked at stations that had other direct response marketers on. For example, if Carbonite was advertising on the station, or LegalZoom, or 1-800-Flowers, I knew I was in the right place. Also, the demographics of the station are so important, because the ideal tax resolution client usually skews a little older, like from 39 to 60 years old. They're conservative, so you want to look at conservative talk radio stations. They're also business owners or 1099 folks, so it's very important that you're on the right station. The second tip I want to give you is the actual message or the copy of the ad, because you want that to be read by a recognized regional or local or even national personality. A personality who's nationally known or regionally known will make your phone ring 35% more than if somebody is non-recognized. So make sure that you pick the right radio station and you also have a personality that's recognized. One of the things that put me on the map early on was I used to advertise on Howard Stern's radio station back in the 2000s. And we all know how controversial Howard is, but he has loyal listeners. You want somebody that has loyal listeners. So that's the two tips for today. You want to make sure the station is the right station and that you have a regional or nationally recognized expert to endorse your spots, and we'll see you on the next video. I hope you like this video. If you're a CPA, an enrolled agent, an attorney, or other tax professional, and you want to learn more about the lucrative business of tax resolution, click on the link above my shoulder for a deep dive training that I'm going to be doing. I'm going to show you how to creatively generate leads. I'm going to teach you what to say to them, to screen them, to make sure that they're a qualified client for you. I'll teach you the 4 questions. I'll show you how to make sure they show up to their appointment. I'll show you how to schedule appointments. I'll teach you how to get retained, what to say to clients for them to give you money to get started on their case. I'll also teach you how to get paid in advance before their case settles. If you want to learn about that and more, click on the link above my shoulder for my deep dive training called The 5 Secrets to $1 Million Tax Resolution Practice. Click on that now. You'll be entered for free, and I'll see you on the other side.